Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal that I use as a journal, and I'll just give you a quick peek to last week. You guys didn't see me do a video for this, but I did this with the newest Teacher Florals and I love it. So, and there's my gratitude spread. So this week I will be using My Garden is My Happy Place sticker sheets, which are from the latest Plan a Happy Life Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. Let's get started. All right, so let me adjust my camera here. It feels like it's at a weird angle. Okay. I am actually really excited for this sticker book, and I think what I'm gonna do is grab the tissue paper that came with the box. You'd think I'd be a lot more prepared, but the tissue paper is fantastic, and I'm wondering if I could just somehow get a piece of it for the bottom here. Like, if I could just rip. It's not going to be perfect, but it will do. That's all I really want it for. So let's just do this. And using my adhesive, oops, making sure I get all the corners. I think that's the hardest part, is the corners. Okay. Whoops. Oh, I have so much stuck to me. Okay. Ah! Oh, holy crap. Are you kidding? I couldn't even lay that down straight. Ugh. I'm having a day. I'm having a day. If you guys saw my stories from Sunday, you knew that I did not want to do any type of adulting. And I think 100% of you agreed with me. No adulting. You just want to sit and either watch Netflix or read a book. Oh! Okay, I might scrap that idea. Oh! Oh my god. I'm having a mini meltdown on film here. On my plan with me. Mini meltdown because nothing is working. And it's just because the tissue paper is so fragile. Okay. I think this is the thing that with Plan With Me's, okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Just leave it. And I will find something to cover that. I feel like I have something that would cover that. There, home is where my plants are. And it will cover most of it. That I can deal with. I'm just having a day. Like, normally planning gets me really calm and I get into like a happy place. I'm just exhausted today. And I kind of just, I'm trying to find my rhythm and everything, but even planning is feeling like a chore right now. And I'm having a tough time, guys. But I don't necessarily say I want to push through, but I want to just decorate for me. And I think that's also why I did my horizontal planner, or this journal planner last year, off camera. Because I just needed to do something for me. I didn't want to worry about filming it. I didn't want to worry about having to take, you know, make a thumbnail for it. I didn't have to. There's definitely a difference when you're filming something versus just planning on your own without anyone watching you. And I like these boots. There's this pressure that you don't have on you when you're not filming the process and when you're not talking about the process. You just kind of do it for the sake of doing it. And I think I needed that last week when I just did the horizontal spread on its own, to not have to really talk through the process of just putting stickers down and not have to worry about talking. That's actually really pretty. I'm going to add some washi. Now this pretty washi here. That is from the Plant a Happy Life box. I think the name of the box is genius, actually. But yeah, planning is supposed to be therapeutic. It's supposed to be, you know, this thing that we do. Let me grab some other washi here. Which one do I want? This one. So this thing that we do as our creative space, it's our way of maintaining sanity. And when it isn't like that for us anymore, then why are we doing it? And sometimes there's just weeks that are so, you know, they're not our usual weeks. And actually I don't want to use that sticker. Oh, my husband and daughter are back already. They took Lucy on a walk. Okay. I'm going to put this washi on every other day with one of these hexagons because I think they're awesome. So let's put one on Friday and Sunday. And then we'll put the other washi on the other days. This is also why I love decorating in my journal, because it is not meant to look functional. It's all about the creativity. Now, which washi do I want to use? Let's use the pink. I was going to use a light blue, but pink. Let's do pink. It's different. Ooh, where's the end? I hate when I do that. And I know there's some of you that listen to me waffle on while you're doing your own planning. And I love that. I love that. I love seeing when you guys are planning with my voice in the background. And I'm glad that you guys can find that creativity and that, I almost want to say peace that comes with being able to just be in your own creative space. Let's find, I'm trying to find just, oh, maybe I could use these flags. I don't necessarily have to write in, just, I'm getting to the point now where I'm like, I just want to put stickers down and then be done. And I hate that I feel that way. That I now film 7 videos a week, and I love it, but at the same time, it is a lot, guys. It is a lot of work to film and upload 7 videos a week. So I really appreciate all of you that do take the time to watch my videos. I didn't even explain my process in this at all, but basically you guys could see that when I decorate, each day has a big decoration sticker, a piece of washi, and just a little tiny sticker so that there is a cluster of 3. And that cluster of 3 is what I work with to get my spread the way that it is. And I actually really love that. All right, and it turned out great considering that this whole bottom section was totally screwed up. All right. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening to me just rant. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.